You're right, bud. It's time.
I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed.
You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. Be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too. And I want you to be free.
Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet.
Remember me?
Witness true strength. Strength will over others.
Toothless, come on. What's the matter with you? Stop! Snap out of it! Son! Dad! No! No! Get away from him! Toothless!
He will not miss a second time.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. Please, you are my best friend, bud.
Attaboy, that's it!
We can do this.
That's it. Now let's try this one more time.